Welcome to JDP Fire, Security and Electrical.
At JDP, our highly qualified engineers install electrical, fire and safety systems across the Midlands.
From fire extinguishers to fire alarm systems, intruder alarm systems, access control systems, we have a wide array of products and broad base of expertise.
We ensure you comply with legislation, quality standards for insurance purposes.
If we had one piece of advice, it would be to not wait for an important piece of equipment to fail before fixing it. You can rely on us to provide planned preventative maintenance at all times.
From our first year in business in 2001, we have focused on a high level of customer service. As JDP has grown, the same ethos has allowed us to grow into a thriving customer service business.
Since starting with JDP in 2015, I'm proud to be part of building an exceptional group of loyal and professional engineers and office staff.
We have a 24/7 reactive call-out system to all contracted customers to make sure that we never miss a call. My name is Dean and I'm the Managing Director of JDP. I have over 25 years experience in the industry of fire, security and electrical.
I'm Scott, I'm General Manager at JDP Fire, Security and Electrical. I've now worked for the company for 8 years, since 2015. Throughout this time, I've focused on managing, developing and overseeing all aspects of the business. For peace of mind, secure your property with trustworthy security systems. Don't risk them failing at a key time. Why choose JDP? Our customers will tell you that it's our reliability, professionalism and dedication to quality of service that sets us apart from the rest.
Fire safety systems are vitally important for your business. They ensure the safety of life, assets and property. We specialise in the maintenance and installation of electrical systems. It is vitally important that any electrical systems that are installed are maintained to the relevant standard. We carry out the required electrical inspections and produce the relevant certificates. We have an extremely reliable 24/7 reactive call-out system to ensure that all our customers and clients are covered day or night. Join the legion of satisfied customers who have found peace of mind with JDP.